Hello, today I'm going to give you a quick demo as to how to climb a ladder. So, basically your arms, your feet will contain them, just like this. And I tell you, as a climber, you're not allowed to carry tools in your tool belt anymore, so hang your rope down, hold it up like this, and break stuff. Right there. And if you need more tools or anything, put this out of here. Do it all. Just throw it down. And if you need anything else, you just bring it up with this. Let it drop. Oh, when you're done working, drop that. We're not going 4 out there. So basically, I'm going to take my optic meter. Run the connection like that. It's like 57 degrees, go up. And I tell you what, you can see how being outdoors keeps it nice and cool. I mean, hardly even a temperature change there at all. Check this. Yep. Run at the length of the conductor. See, as long as you don't see any higher heat than it should be, you're good to go. Right, so according to the TV, my battery has some dead remotes.